PiNetwork migration ends permanently on March 14, 2025. No extensions or exceptions. Incomplete KYC or migration process will result in permanent loss of your entire Pi balance. Binance's new token listing framework has insiders speculating about imminent Pi listing. The PiNetwork has officially announced that its grace period for users will end on March 14, 2025, marking the 6th anniversary of the project. After multiple extensions, this is the final opportunity for pioneers to complete KYC and migrate to mainnet. The move is aimed at ensuring a fair, verified, and decentralized network. With the open network launch sparking interest in Pi, the extension allows early adopters who missed previous deadlines to finalize their migration. However, failure to meet the required steps risk losing most of their mobile balance, except for Pi mined in the last 6 months before migration. In its official blog post, PiNetwork's team cited inclusivity, accessibility, and network integrity as key reasons for the final extension. Despite this extension, the team insists that its roadmap remains unchanged, with a clear vision to build a sustainable ecosystem driven by real users. Amidst the announcement, the community is rallying for a Binance listing, believing it will significantly boost the token's price and potentially propel it above $10. One community member weighed in. There is actually no reason for Binance not to immediately list. The reason is, this top exchange has implemented a new system as a requirement for listing the cryptocurrency that it will list. Binance introduces a new listing model for a token with a decentralized voting system. This voting has been applied to PiNetwork recently, although Binance has not announced its decision. While no official announcement has been made, there are rumors of a potential agreement for a special event between the two entities. If true, this could be the transformative moment Pi holders have been waiting for. The PiNetwork opens its doors to external trading at 8 a.m. UTC on February 20, 2025, after years and years of anticipation. The transition to open network enabled external connectivity on the mainnet blockchain, allowing Pi to interface with other compliant networks and systems. This launch marks its transition to full decentralization, enabling external wallet transfers, exchange listings, and the creation of decentralized applications. The PiNetwork has emphasized prioritizing KYC verification to maintain network integrity, with millions of its users verified to ensure compliance and help to prevent fraud once trading begins. Market dynamics, PiCoin's price volatility. As the deadline approaches, PiCoin has experienced notable price fluctuations. Over the past week, the coin's value declined by 16.3%, with a significant drop of 12.2% within a 24-hour period, bringing the trading price to approximately $1.38. This volatility has raised concerns among pioneers, particularly regarding the anticipated listing of PiCoin on major exchanges like Binance. Community efforts to promote PiCoin's listing have been substantial, including an 86% vote in favor of the listing concluded on February 27. Despite these initiatives, there has been no official response from Binance, leading to frustration among users and a wave of negative reviews on the Google Play Store.